Hey everyone, what's going on? I'm back with another video, and for a while now I've been working with Autonomous making video reviews on their products, such as the Smart Desk 2, which is the desk that I'm using right now, and the Ergo Chair 2, which is the chair that I'm sitting in right now. They've been a great company to work with, and they sent me a Christmas gift as a token of their appreciation. Now, I know it is mid-February and I'm talking about Christmas gifts, but listen up because this is actually just part of what I'm trying to announce. So what they sent to me for Christmas was this really interesting box. Now, I've already opened it and broken it, but it is a puzzle lid box. It has a puzzle on top, and basically it said give yourself a break, and you would break and punch the lid of the box open to reveal what's inside. It came with a bunch of really cool things like this autonomous wallet passport holder. It also came with two little coasters here, which are ceramic coasters with cork on the back. So these are pretty high quality coasters. There's these little matchbooks that they sent, which is, this one says, the year we will never forget. It's a little Santa with a mask on, and inside it says, survive the great toilet paper crisis of 2020. If you can see it there. And this one says save $100 on orders $500 and above with a little code here. And the last little thing they sent here are little tiny magnetic bookmarks, which are really cool. So this one's a little stocking with a bookmark there, and a little dinosaur bookmark here, and another little dinosaur bookmark here, which you just put over the pages, and it's magnetic, and it just clips like that. So that was a token of appreciation from them to me for basically the videos that I did for them. But on top of that, they also decided to make me an affiliate with them. So what that means is anytime anyone uses my discount code, not only do you get a discount, but I get a little bit back as well. So if you find yourself working from home, needing a new desk or a new chair, then, well, consider using my discount code. It's only a little bit of a discount at 8%, which in fact is the same amount of discount that users had been getting previously by using my code, except now I get a little bit back on each use of my code. So again, if you are interested in purchasing any products from Autonomous, please consider using my code as it helps support me and helps support the channel. Check the link in the description down below. Use code D Nguyen08 for 8% off your purchase. And thank you everyone for supporting the channel, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.